Hey guys, and welcome back. So we're gonna get started with the Milani Prime Shield Primer. I like this primer because it mattifies the face as well as blur out your pores. And what I'm gonna be doing is a very simple look. We're having guests over today, so I just wanted to put a little something on my face since we were having company. Now I'm using the Covergirl Trueblend concealer. This is actually a fairly new concealer, but I like it. It sets really fast and blends really well. And apply that under the eye. And next I'm taking my Pro concealer. That color is peach. And I'm putting that on my kind of camouflage a little bit. And I'm using this So I have this coloration on the side of my face, as well as apply that on my nose. Some of the lip blemishes that I have on my forehead. Now, setting that concealer with Low Mercier powder, translucent powder. Taking the excess from my hands and just applying that under the eye. I don't want a lot of powder. I want to keep it nice and natural. So this, now we're going to work on these eyebrows. And my eyebrows are always a struggle. Just taming them out using my e.l.f. spoolie brush. And I'm going to be filling my eyebrows in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and Espresso. And I'm basically just filling in those sparse areas. Keeping those eyebrows very natural looking. And now I'm going to use the Mellow Brow Gel in dark brown. Just to fill them in a little bit more and set those eyebrows. Now I'm going to set my face using the iconic Prep Set and Glow spray. And now I'm going to use my Fenty setting powder in the color Honey to just set that face all over. I use the iconic glow spray just to give my face a glow. And now I'm using that Fenty powder just to even out the complexion. And since I didn't use any foundation, I'm going to use my Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in Golden Fawn. Again, just adding some complexion, evening out my complexion. So just a little bit of that powder all over. Now I'm using my Milani Color Harmony palette, blush palette, and this is Berry Raised. This is one of my favorite palettes. I use it almost every day because it kind of It's like a blush, a highlight, and bronzer all in one. So if you don't really have time to do a lot to your face, this is a great blush to have different colors. A great palette to have because you can just do it in one swoop. So now I'm setting my face using my e.l.f. Matte Magic Setting Spray. And I'm going to dry that down. And another trick is once you spray your face with your setting spray, take a beauty sponge and kind of just press that into the face. I'm using a purple eyeliner under the eye. This is a pencil that I got in the subscription box. I just pulled it out. And now I'm using my Hank and Henry mascara, dual mascara. And now my Better Than Sex mascara for the top. And the bottom was Hank and Henry, my dual mascara. I will list everything that I used in the description box for those who are interested in these products. So now let's go ahead and work with the hair. I'm going to start by adding some curl wax. That is the Elastic QP. And it's a heat protector as well. Just run that all through my hair. And then add any other products. I'm kind of getting to the point where I don't use a lot of products before curling. And now we're just going to get in and curling. And I did curl my hair a little different than what I usually did. I kind of curled my hair upwards and inwards. And my arms are sore, y'all. I did Zumba the day before, so the arms were struggling. But yeah, I curled my hair upwards and inwards this time. I just wanted a different style, and I really wanted to highlight my haircut, so I decided to try to curl it and do something different. Yeah, I thought I was curling my hair, but you got to turn your flat irons on first, honey. Get it together, boo. It happens. So we're going to try this again using my red hot pencil flat irons just to get those really short pieces. And again, as you can see on the side, I'm still doing my hair up and to the side because I really want to highlight my haircut. I did go get it cut again. And I also added some more color, if you can tell. This time I colored it with the bronze copper. And as you can see, I'm just showing you how I'm curling my hair. But yeah, the color that I used was Cream of Nature's bronze copper, because I wanted that color to show just a little bit more. I wasn't happy with the last color. And I also went and got my sides and back cut down some more. So now we're curling the front. And I'm curling that hair. I'm not doing flat curls. I'm actually doing more rounded curls. I wanted the style to be a little bit more curlier. And as the top of my hair grows, I will be doing different styles, more styles. So this is just the beginning. And we're going to keep putting those curls in. And you can see I'm moving that flat iron slowly through my hair, making sure that I put the heat in evenly. Now just those finishing touches. I didn't do flips or anything. I'm not really big into curling my hair with like the flips up front. I don't know why. I used to do it all the time, but now I don't care for it. So, and if you have short hair, I highly recommend getting those red hot pencil flat irons if you curl your hair at home, because they really do get those small pieces. As you can see right here, I'm a lefty, so I have to kind of work it differently. But as you can see, that red hot flat iron, you can just pick your hair up and it grabs the hair and curls it effortlessly. Okay, so now I'm checking everything. The hair is all curled. I do have a few little pieces I have to curl in the back, but that's fine. And I'm going to break those curls up with my fingers. I have not used any products yet. And now I'm just styling the hair with my fingers because it's short, so it's easy to kind of just work it with my hand. And now I'm going to use an oldie but goodie, and that is the Murray's pomade. If you got short hair, a fade, you need to have that in your must-haves. And I'm just going to add that to my sides and backs that's shaved. I'm also in the process of trimming this hair to lay down. So I'm going to brush it. And you're going to see me brush my hair a lot. So I'm just brushing it, making sure everything is laid down the way that I want. And I'm going to take a little bit of that Murray's and I'm going to apply it in my hair just to piece it up, break up the curls a little bit more, get it a little piecey, because I don't want the hair too neat. So, and now I'm going to use the comb and just do a little finishing touches with the styling. Making sure everything is laying. And I'm going to use my Milani oil sheen to add some sheen to that hair. Making sure. So the Milani Shine. And now I'm using the Sebastian Shaper Plus spray to just spray on my hair to make sure that it holds. And I'm going to go back and brush it again. I like to brush my hair after using the holding spray just to kind of get that holding spray on the hair and make sure that it lays down the way that I want. So now I'm going to add some NYX Suede lip liner to my lip, and that color is, if I can find it, Soft Spoken. So we're just applying that to the lips. And I'm going to be using Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. And this is the color Queen Bee. I'm going to apply that to my lips. And now I'm going to add the MAC Nymphette lip gloss just to give that lip a little gloss, a little shine. Pop that color. And here we have it, guys. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Be blessed.